Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Glaco Roll On Large and Glaco Roll On Max. Roll On is a key representative of Glaco coatings based on silicone compounds. With Roll On Large there is 120 ml of product at your disposal, and in the limited Max version, which was launched to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Glaco brand, it's a record-breaking 300 ml. Here you will find the well-known Glaco trademark, the integrated felt applicator. The round shape and large surface area speed up the work on large windows like windscreens or panoramic roofs. We always recommend to apply Glaco using a crisscross motion. Why? This ensures that no area of the glass is missed. About 10 minutes after application, we can start polishing. First with a damp but not wet microfiber, and then we use a dry microfiber to finish, and we're done. The hydrophobic effect will appear at speeds as low as 45 km per hour, making Glaco roll-ons perfect for those driving mostly in cities. We hope you liked our how to apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.